Hello and welcome from Israel. Well, everybody's talking about Donald Trump versus Kamala Harris. He won by a landslide, majority vote, all the stuff. I'm not either for or against anybody, but Trump is for Israel. Trump is a supporter of Israel. He understands that people that want to kill you need to be destroyed. Not peace, not negotiating. What we need is right now, they need to let go of all the hostages, 101. They need to release all the hostages they have. After that, I think we'll sit down and figure out what to do. But there's no starting point without releasing any hostages whatsoever. Egypt was trying to mediate this, was asking for two hostages be released for a 2 week ceasefire. We agreed. They didn't agree. They won't even release two. So until we get 101 hostages back, unfortunately, Gaza will have to turn into a parking lot until we retrieve all 101 hostages. That's how it goes. And like Trump said, and let's see what happens, he wants them all returned before he takes office. Let's hope it works out. Take care. Bye.